Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Unclip the tabs at the top of the glove box and lower the glove box. Unclip the tabs and push outwards to release the housing door. Then lift the door to free the front tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the bottom tabs of the housing cover, then press the top tabs to lock it into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.